Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Janitwa IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Ya kini kijing rakhe ka Sngikha ba Sanbor Chulai Long Hak State Convention Center Shillong balas dang ya kini kijing rakhe da kijing bu jing dawai do Father Richard Majau ba hadin kani uba Sanbor Chulai rengkat bala ka kurem ulod ya ukiek Sngikha halo kijing kenjo jong u Shikarta ka bandro Snem. Hakini kasing lawan banedan lang unang ilam kaliang persya ka HADC uba Tita Starwell Khan u Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya u Rekman Ji Momen kinong ilam niam kinong ilam kaseng BJP kinong ilam Shnong badik sepangut kipat ba. Hadin ke jengrakhe ke Sngikha ba Sanbor Chulai la plat pat ba ke Skhim ke bahan rupsan kelur sausan lak an wajar ars pak lai tengka naga benta ban pentrai ki Pynroi Bapher ke Lengkishnong jong ke South Shillong constituency. Uba Sanbor Chulai ulai kublai kerpang yo menteri rang ba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ki sembut menteri rang ba ke Jela ki bakentup uba Preston Tensong baru ba senyau balanghar belerap barajing kershan naga benta ki Skhim Bapher ban kentio ya kabha kamiat bar ki Pynroi jeng ki pat nong shnong ke South Shillong constituency. Ulai kublai ru ki officer sarkar kinong tri sarkar kinong ilam shnong bat ki pat ba nong shnong ki belajing kershan bat kam tam hagaban la ban pentelun ki Skhim Bapher. Kinong ilam ki pat ba bat ki kenhon Bapher ki lakit bok ket riang bat airu ki jing ai sngobai wa Sanbor Chulai ha Sngikha jeng u bala pensyong ko ne ki jing rakhe Sngikha da ki jing ruai bat ki jing shat.
I'll never forget to express my sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart to all the top officials of various departments within our state, right from the class 1 officer, the top official of officers, till the level of peon, grade 3, grade 4, till the level of cleaner, who are giving me full support in providing me information especially where my file has gone, where my proposal in the file has reached. They give me information as to enable me to push them ahead. So this is I feel so happy to be friend with the top official of various department, to be very close friend with even at the rank and level of the grade 3, grade 4, till the level of cleaners. The help and support. Last year, we went as a party, BJP, under the presidency of Rekman Momenji. So we met the defense minister, and we have got the permission and we have got the land just adjacent to the electric crematorium at Jelupara, and there also we have got the work is going on. So there also this will be the first of its kind in the containment area. This football field will be there, volleyball field will be there adjacent to the football ground, and also the volleyball and the basketball. So this will be the first ground within containment area to be utilized by both the defense and the civilian. So hopefully before Christmas the project will be completed and it will be handed over to the Shillong Containment Board and the village council of the containment area.